Hey guys and gals, Jim here with a real quick update on lighting this 30-second scale TIE fighter. I ran into some problems. I was going to use SMDs for everything, and being this is such a large model, the SMDs would work fine, but they were just too small for this scale. They give you a little pinpoint bit of light, but they don't really light up bright like you want them to for something like this. So I scrapped that idea, decided to go 3 millimeters, but the only problem is with 3 millimeters, this is the back half of the hull here. I got my 3 millimeters mounted back there. You see I got the leads coming out of them spread real far apart. Reason being, this inner cockpit parts, these corners right in the middle, they barely got enough room to put that in, so I'm gonna have to file those corners down just a tad bit so this can squeeze in all the way in there and stuff. So but other than that, they're gonna give me, I don't have nothing light blocked yet, but they're gonna give me a nice what I want for engine effect back there and all that. And then you got the same problem back here. If you notice on the front of this, there's two round openings down there like grooves. This is the inside cockpit part, the forward part of it down there. These two rounded openings down there, even if you use SMDs down there for those photon blasters, cannons, whatever, you still have a problem with the clear plastic parts. Trouble is, the clear plastic parts that I got up there, I got them blocked so I can start getting them painted and get rid of all the light bleed on the clear parts. But anyway, those clear plastic parts, they fit into two holes on the front part of the hull, and they come about all the way back to where those LEDs are. You see the leads coming out of the back of those LEDs. So when you put the inner cockpit part in there, those clear plastic parts fit into those two notches that you see there. So those are going to be in the way. Those will be in the way. You wouldn't even be able to get an SMD in there because they fit pretty flush to this to the back of that opening. So I had to clip those off. I tried SMDs in though, but very, they were giving me my green lights and stuff, but like I said, very small pinpoint of light and everything. So, and I was using 0805s. I even tried some 1206s that I keep in stock, and those weren't giving me the light I wanted either. So I clipped those clear plastic parts. They had just a little bit going into the front of the hull half, so they're glued in real nice and tight and stuff and solid. And I used 3mm LEDs up there, and those will give me just enough room to get this all assembled and close her up. But those are a couple of the issues with lighting this thing. Only other thing I got done while I've been working on this, the beginning of the weekend, I gave my solar panels a one coat of semi-gloss clear, and they got that little bit of sheen like you see on the studio models and studio replicas, a little bit of shine to the cool shade that they use on them. So I'll be happy with the ways those. I'm gonna let them set for a couple more days, then I'll start masking and painting all the framework with my exterior color and stuff. So but I just thought I'd share this quick little video about some of the fit issues you have if you go with regular LEDs. I mean, you can go with SMDs, but they're not going to give you a lot of light like you'd really like to have and stuff like that. So that's about where I'm at right now. I'll probably start working on getting all the inside of this stuff where the LEDs are at, light box and everything. I may just go ahead and put a light application, a tulip on them, and call it done. There's not really no light coming through the inside. I'll go over the whole outside of the hull pieces with a black primer, and then I'll start shooting my base color and light coats and let some of the black bleed through a little bit and stuff here and there. So pop up some of the details, because I don't plan on doing much of washes on anything except probably this front piece of the cockpit in that. But other than that, that's where I'm at. Just thought I'd share this a little bit of information with you on if you use regular LEDs, what you got to worry about as far as clearance issues and stuff. And with this inside cockpit assembly, once it's assembled into the two hull halves and closed up, there is not a whole lot of room in there to even stick toothpicks in and stuff like that. It's a pretty snug area and stuff, you know, closed up tight area and stuff. So anyway, that's gonna do it for now. So thanks for checking out my videos. Thanks for following along. Hope some of this stuff might be helpful to others out there and all that. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for the comments you guys been leaving me. Thanks for hitting the like button, and appreciate it very much. And we'll talk to you guys in a few days with another update. Once I get probably once I get this all closed up and everything, show you where I'm at and everything before I go on to the main assemblies and start closing up. Then I'll start working on the base in a couple days too. I got all my stuff that I ordered to complete my base and all that, so I can start moving on and not have too many more interruptions, hopefully. But that's what's going on. Till the next time, everybody take care. Bye.